Bujo genwa mel bidasige kwendayaoma nungum wige kendan gwiwabadan eko niwing. Eko niwing. Gwi oja tunio. Mizawaya we have our whole. Minoa bijinago gwige kendan yo abata etayan. So yesterday we learned about our halves. Nungum eu gwi gagi dot eu. Eko nissing. Eko nissing. Ingi kish kajan. I cut this in 3 pieces. Dibishku gish kajan. Cut them in 3 equal pieces. Dibishku go gish kajan. Oh, mino inga mazinabige yo mio basic mieta basic yo basic piece. Mino agaye inga eu ingi kish kajan eu mizwaya. I cut this in pieces. This way kish kajan ingi is it again. Mi goyak. Mino agaye inga mazribigem basic nij eu. Wagunish eu anina jinakadig. We kendan nij na eko nising. Nij na eko nising gwishanakarig. 2/3. Eu wagunish eu basic na eko nising. Basic na eko nising. Eu wabanan eu basic na eko nising. This is 1/3. Oh, mio wabanan. Nungum gawin giwi gagigidode eu giwi wabanan ishbin giwi ayamen eu dibishkugo magaja bakan. We're gonna look to see if they're equal or different. Gawin dibishkugo, or they're not equal. How ishbin giwi wabanan giwi mazinabige. Giwi mazinabige eu wawe bian. How inga gish kajani eu. I'm gonna cut it nisting 3 times. How we wabadam basic piece niche and then minawa this way. Eko nijing hayaa dibishkuana. Is this a third? Is this an equal third? Gawin. We wabanana yo. Minawa na. Ingi kish kajan and na dibishku go. Did I cut this equally? Gawin. Ingi ekador. Gawin. Mino agaye. We wabanani yo. Wawe bien. Oma. We wabanan. Inga kish kajan. I'm gonna cut it. Nissing 3 times. No basic. Nij. Niswe. We wabanan basic nij niswe. There's 3 pieces. Magajago. Dibishku go na. Is it equal? Gawin giwi yasin equal. Gawin dibishku go. We wabanan oma. Dibishku go na. Dibishku go. Are these equal? Eya. Wait, ani najinakade what are these called again? Ishpinki yamen nissing, eko nissing, gish kijan. Inga oshabian. I'm gonna write that down for you. E ko ne sing. Eko ne sing is jinakadek. But whenever you cut it, giga gish kijan, giga gish kijan yo is a way out. If you have a hole and you cut it into 3 pieces, giwiayan ekonese. You have thirds. You have threes. You have thirds. So for today's practice, make sure that you're telling me whether or not they are in thirds or they aren't. Miyomenek nungum, miigwech